Today, we're teaching you how to use the 211 website. 211 connects us to community resources and assets that can help us out of a crisis or that threatens our basic needs, from food to shelter to financial help to childcare to disability support services to mental health assistance. 211 helps us live our best lives. First, you'll want to get on a computer, tablet, or phone connected to the internet. The computer screen's starting point is called the desktop, and it's where we see all the icons and the documents available. It's also called the home screen. Whenever you first turn on any computer, you will reach the desktop or home screen. There are several internet browser options. This blue E is the Internet Explorer icon. By icon, we mean the visual symbol that we can select. Another common internet browser you may see is Google Chrome. Its icon is a rainbow wheel with a blue dot in the center. You could call it a rainbow eyeball. You may also see another browser icon that looks like a foxtail wrapped around a blue circle. This is yet another internet option, Mozilla Firefox. You may see one, two, or all three of these icons on your desktop. You may also see a bright blue Internet Safari icon if you're on a Mac. Any of these icons will get you to the internet. I'm going to open Google Chrome by selecting the rainbow eyeball icon. Whatever internet browser you selected, you'll arrive at a search page that may look like this. Up top here is what's called the address bar. You type the web address right here. In this case, www.montana211.org. The 211 webpage shows several categories that can help you or someone you know live a healthier, safer, and better quality of life.